Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For many repairs, you will need to remove your freezer's rear interior panel. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance. For side-by-side models, you should first remove any shelving or drawers obstructing the freezer's rear panel. Next, lift the light lens cover up and out to remove. Unscrew the light bulb and set it aside. Remove the screws securing the rear panel. And if applicable, detach the grounding wire. Now, carefully lift the panel up and out. When the repair is complete, slide the rear interior panel into position. Reattach the grounding wire if applicable. And secure the panel with the screws. Replace the light bulb and the light lens cover, as well as any drawers or shelving. You're now ready to plug the appliance back in.